Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Alnwick in the northeast of England and we are going to be exploring the Plough pub. It's a pub and a hotel. It's under new management, so we're going to have a little look and stay the night here. And this just isn't any pub. It's got stories that stretch back from centuries ago. It's many, many years old. Let's go and explore this lovely looking pub. So this is where you would come in your car. It's quite tight, but there's lots of spaces out the back. I'll tell you what, you're going to be absolutely shocked when you hear how much we paid for this ancient hotel per night. So this is the car park around here. Plenty of car spaces. The hotel has around 7 rooms. So the pub shuts at 10 o'clock at night. But if you stay here, you can't come through the front entrance, so you have to come through the back. So I'll take you up and show you the stairs. But it's a bit like a fire escape. So you have to be quite mobile to stay in this hotel. Because I don't think there's a lift at all. And these stairs are not for the faint-hearted. So yes, you have to come back here. And then you have to just let yourself in here. There's like a key fob there. So stick around to see why the Plough might be just one of the most interesting pubs in Alnwick. We'll have a wander out there a little bit later because I believe the restaurant in the hotel shuts at 5 o'clock today. It's a Sunday night. A little bit later during the week. But yeah, we can't eat here tonight, so we're going to venture out into Alnwick Town Centre and find somewhere to eat. Okay, let's go in. So there's the bar, and that's where you have to check in as well, which wasn't a problem. Lots of young people on reception, but they were nice. They were nice and sweet. It's a dining area through there. Right, so let's go up to our room. A few floors up. Nice light there. You've got a radiator here. Telly, not a bad size, maybe it's, I don't know, 40 inches or something. Aircon unit there. Carpet is a little bit tatty, but it's clean, so that's a good sign. The bed looks lovely, very stylish. I like the style of it, and I love the it's actually wallpaper, but it looks like wood, doesn't it? But it's not wood. Love the little bedside cabinets. It's so cute, actually. I think this room is very cute. It reminds me of a little board cabin or something. This is a heater, the young man said, who brought us up. He brought us all the way to the room. So how nice is that? That's unusual for this day and age, isn't it? Somebody bringing you all the way to the room. We have some biscuits, a kettle, some glasses there, some more coffee, milk and sugar. Nice big mirror there to see yourself in. You also have a mirror there too. Give you another way view. So yeah, so it's a lovely little room, very small. But honestly, when you hear the price, you're going to get a shock. Bang in the centre of Alnwick as well we are. So into the bathroom. Oh, it's not a bad size at all. Lovely clean toilet, absolutely spotless. Little bin there. Liking the tiles here. Very nice. Little hand towel. Lovely sink, and it's spotless. And you know me, I always have to turn it on. There we are. Plenty of mirrors. You'll never get sick of seeing, or you will get sick of seeing yourself. Body lotion. I do like it full when I come and stay in a hotel. Doesn't take much to just top it up, does it really? Sliding doors there on the shower. So apparently back in the day, this pub was host to very noble people. Possibly even royal people, can you believe that? So they say. Also there's talks of ghosts and things, so we'll find out a bit more about that later. Oh, you know, it's such a shame that we can't eat here tonight because it stopped serving at 5 o'clock and it's about 4 o'clock now. We just not long arrived, so I'll go somewhere else and I'll show you some footage of that and I'll let you know where it is. So I don't know where we're going yet ourselves. We'll find out when we venture out. So rumour has it that this place could actually be haunted. It is centuries years old, so you never know. One of my friends stayed here a while back and she said she heard some strange noises through the night. So obviously I had to come and try it out for myself, but I hope not, because it's a little bit scary thinking it could be haunted, isn't it? And the last thing I want is for things to go bump during the night. It's a miserable night, like it's raining. It's dead here at the moment. But it is January and it's the first weekend after New Year, so you can't expect anything else, I guess. So we've just popped over the road to the Ale Gate, which is absolutely stunning bar. My hubby has bought... What you get there, darling?
Harlequin.
Yes, did you hear that? He got the Harlequin and I got a Prosecco because I just fancy a Prosecco. What a lovely little bar. I'll show you around. Honestly, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's very quiet at the moment, but because, you know, it's just the second weekend into January and that's like notoriously quiet. But what a lovely little find this is. Okay, it's morning now and it's nearly time for us to go. Got to say, never heard a thing last night, never heard any ghosts, never heard any strange noises whatsoever. I'm pleased about that. We slept like logs. The bed was so comfortable, the pillows were absolutely perfect, and the shower was so nice. If I had to say something negative, it was a little bit too warm during the night, but managed to turn the heating down a little bit, so that really helped. So yes, what a lovely night we had. So whether you were here for the history of the place, for the food that sadly we couldn't show you, but it's meant to be fantastic, or for the chance of a ghostly encounter that we never had. But if that's the reason for coming, I'll tell you what, it's worth it. Just wait till you hear the price. I'm going to tell you now. One night stay here in Alnwick in this gorgeous, lovely little cosy boutique hotel and pub right next to the town centre of Alnwick. Actually, in the town centre of Alnwick. The price for one night was £53. What a bargain. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye.